We are at Lowe's right now, guys. Let's go. Have a lot of deals going on, guys, at Lowe's. A lot of deals going on, guys. Let's see. All right. Oh, look at this one. $24.98 was $29.98. Look at this. It's a small 3-piece mini pliers set. That's great. For $25 for 3 of them? Wow. It's not bad. Could put in a, in a toolbox or something. Small bag or something if you need it. Alright. Let's see what else they have here. Kobalt, $7.98. The screwdriver set, the Kobalt 6-piece folding nut driver, $9.98. Wow. Nice. What else they have? Check this one out. $29.98 was $39.98. This is not bad. 69-piece screwdriver set with rack. Not bad at all. And it would look something like this. Nice. Yep, same thing. 3-piece collapsible folding trays. Right there. Okay. Alright. Flip up pocket knife. Let's see. Serrated stainless steel blade. Alright. This is what I call his and hers, right? Look at that. So you got the blue one and you got the pink one. $14.98. Wow, not bad.